Hi, we're doing grade 12, mathematics paper 1, November 2019 revision. And for this video, we'll be doing revision on question 4. Okay. Yeah, below are graphs of a quadratic graph and rational graph. They're told that f is a turning point. This is a turning point C. And then f, it passes through one this point here, 1 0. That's an x-intercept. And you're told that D, the y-intercept of both f and g, and they also intersect point E as well. And the vertical asymptote of g passes through x-intercept of f. So this is a vertical asymptote of g, that is x equal to 1. Okay. Alright, now write down the value of p. So they want you to write the value of p. I just wrote it. This is x equal to 1, but let me just show you some notes first how I got that. Okay, so the general rational function is like this: g of x is equal to a over x minus p plus q. Vertical asymptote will be x is equal to p. So basically what I did here is take this x minus p equal to 0 and say take p to the other side, it will be x minus s equal to p. Okay, and now your horizontal asymptote will be y is equal to q. There's q here. That's a horizontal asymptote. Okay, so in this equation, in this instance, you're given g of x equal to a x plus p, and we're told that your vertical asymptote is x equal to 1. So meaning that your p should be minus 1. Therefore, p could be minus 1. Okay, why is that? Because p here, because we're having x plus p, but the general formula is x minus p. So to have x minus p here, our p should be minus 1. Okay, so that you can have a of x minus 1. That's a long one. Minus 1. Now it looks like this. Then you can say your asymptote is 1. Okay, so your answer is p is equal to minus 1. Okay, show that a is 3. There's a here, and what is 2, and b is 2. There's b here. Okay, so this is already x minus 1. Okay, so what do we know? So observe that we know that d is both y-intercept of f and g, and d is 0, the x value of d is 0, and the y value of d, we don't know it. Okay, but you can observe that the y value of d, because it's a y-intercept of g, so it's when x is 0 in g, you're gonna have a over 0 minus 1, which is minus a. Therefore, a is minus yd. Okay, and also remember this here: d, it's a y-intercept of f and g. So figure it out for y-intercept of f. Let's now check the y-intercept of f. If we figure out for y-intercept of g, let's take of f. So meaning that yd is the same as f of 0, which is 0. So if you put 0 here, it's going to be 0. Put 0 here, it's going to be 0. So your answer is minus 3. So YD is minus 3. Therefore, A is equal to minus YD, which is minus 3. And then your answer is positive 3. Just what they've been asking. Okay. And let's find B is equal to 2. B is equal to 2. So this is B here. And B is equal to 2. Well, observe this. Observe that F has an x-intercept 1 and 0. So let's just substitute 1 and 0. Let's substitute where there's x, put 1, where there's y, put 0. Okay, so 0 is equal to f of 1 is equal to 1 squared plus b 1 minus 3. 0 is equal to 1 plus b minus 3. This means that b, if you solve for b will be equal to 2, positive 2. So that's your answer here. That's it. Thank you.